Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from your car. On my Highlander, right here behind the rear wheel, I have a couple of scratches right about here. What happened was I was cleaning out my storage unit. There was a bucket behind the Highlander I forgot was there, so I get into the Highlander, put it in reverse, and next thing I know, I hear the bucket scraping underneath the Highlander. And that's how that happened. Now the bucket came out of it perfectly fine, don't worry. But right now we're just going to take some Scratch Doctor, a washcloth. We'll go ahead and put some of this stuff on the washcloth. Whoa. A little bit more came out than I anticipated. And we'll just go ahead and start rubbing. And there we go. Still a little bit right here. And there we go. This stuff is literally like magic eraser for your paint. I honestly swear by this stuff. It's not going to get out deep metal scratches, but little light scratches like the ones we just took care of, you wouldn't even know they were there now. Also, just to give you another idea of how good this stuff is, at work we have our Chevy pickup. Someone thought they would be cute and put a cigarette out on the paint. I took just a little bit of this stuff, rubbed it on the spot where they put their cigarette out on it, took the cigarette burns right out of that paint. You wouldn't even know now. Scratch Doctor is definitely a great investment if you have a car. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also make sure you hit that bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you guys next week.